Security check for St. Peter's. Oh my God.
So here we are at St. Peter's Square, midday, and the queue is absolutely horrific.
Well, look, it's pretty chaotic here. Trying to get to St. Peter's Basilica. But this is just the queue to get into the Vatican with the security checks. I'm late getting in because I decided to have a couple of beers. Maybe that wasn't such a great idea. But hopefully once I get through security check, I'll be able to get to the Basilica pretty quick. Oh well, you live and learn. Alright, well I finally got through the security check and here I am in the Vatican, St. Peter's Square, and look at it. It is absolutely bloody marvellous. Love it. Can't fault it. And you know what? For me to say that, it's got to be good because I'm normally a grumpy old sod. But yep, take a look at this baby. This is absolutely stunning. Beautiful.
Now, I'm not sure the camera gives it justice here, but it is absolutely breathtaking.
This is clean, grand, spectacular. Right, this is where we're going now, Basilica. St. Peter's Basilica. Look, this is really impressive. In terms of its scale, it's very grand. Impeccably clean. All the stonework looks bright. And I guess in front of us is where the Pope sticks his head out the window and says a few words. It's chiming, the bells are ringing. All the seats here must be for Mass. I think they have a Mass here every Wednesday. Wow. But yeah. Again, it's rushing for time, need to get here. Let's get inside and take a look. Trying to get in is a bit of a... It's ridiculous, isn't it? Well, God's making plenty of money, I'll tell you that. Wow, this is absolutely phenomenal. However, the 2,000, 3,000 people in here don't make it that great either. Shuffling through, wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? So here we are in the Basilica. Let's just take a minute. Grandeur, beautiful. Let's have a look at this. To be honest, it's really hectic in here, and to be able to do any decent filming is going to be pretty hard. It's just absolutely manic, absolutely breathtaking.
Now, the size of this place is unbelievable. It is absolutely massive. There is probably around 3,000 people inside, and you can get here early and have a good hour walk around before you get to the dome. But as usual, I couldn't be bothered for all that. I just want to walk around, see the photographs, and get the hell out of here. There's no denying that the opulence is out of this world. Absolutely stunning, fabulous, wow.
To be fair, I don't think I've seen a church even close to this, and I don't think I will again. You meant to take an hour and a half in here, I've probably taken about 10 minutes. I'd like to see more if I'm honest, but having a few beers at the pub delayed me a little bit. I've got to get to the dome for 1:30. It's about 1:05 now. Queues are absolutely horrific. So yeah, I'm cutting it short, but without doubt, probably the best church in the world. And likely what I'm going to see again. So yeah, well worth the visit, but bloody manic.
To be fair, around 10-15 minutes was enough for me. It was too crowded and I was late.
So this is the view the Pope has when he delivers Mass.
Now I was touching into my holy side. I need a bit of divine intervention.
Wow.
The view was well worth a look and very, very spiritual.
Yeah, look, pretty awesome stuff. Can't fault the place. Can't fault the view. Can't fault the church. Can fault the queues. Can fault the security getting in. Can fault too busy to actually concentrate to work out what you want to do, how you want to do it. But aside from that, definitely worth a visit. I'm still at the Basilica. I'm halfway up to the dome. But I tell you what, it's a bit hard work getting up here. Right, thousands of people, no help to get up here. Every time you ask for help, nobody gives a damn. Grumpy as hell Italians. You know, this is meant to be a place of God. I don't see much compassion in helping people. Yeah, I get they must be annoyed helping people every day, but you know what, that's their job. Literally have to walk around in circles about 5 times to get here. So yeah, not totally impressed with the hospitality, but hey, this is Italy, I guess. Miserable high tides.
Well, after much searching, I managed to find the stairs and got up to the first section of the dome.
All right, so try and get to the dome, the Cappella.
Okay, so the dome is not part of the standard St. Peter's Basilica ticket. You have to pay extra for this. However, I would recommend it. I'm of the thinking, well, if you're going to be there, you might as well do it. And if it isn't any good, you can certainly walk out and get out of there if you don't like it.
Okay, a long ascent up the dome steps, 531 to be precise. All right, so I'm literally on step number 20, and I believe there's 531 to go. Now, being an unfit person like myself, and been walking around all day, I don't know if this is a good idea. I think in the last 3 days I've done 72,000 steps anyway, so I don't know why I've chosen to do 531 more. I must be crazy. All right, I'll let you know when I get to the top. Fuck.
We've got 165 remaining steps. Wait, 166 or 200? Yeah, 166.
I've done about 160 and absolutely knackered. I think it's 231. Oh my God. Absolutely whacked. Oh, and there's more. 104 to go apparently. Too old. Can't be doing this anymore. This is ridiculous. It's 30 degrees. Too many steps. What the bloody hell am I doing? All right, I'm gonna stop now. Can't talk. I'll let you know when I'm at the top. Better be worth it. Well, it's a pretty good view though, isn't it? Now we're up here.
Typically, I walk up all these stairs, and when I get to the top, my camera wasn't functioning too well. What a waste of time.
Well, I reckon going down is gonna be easier, isn't it?